No. Letita stran.
Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Natural disasters on the event channel, welcome. Tragedy strikes Slovenia, as torrential rains unleash their wrath, drowning hope beneath relentless floods. 3 souls, lost in the deluge's fury, their lives extinguished amidst chaos. The EU's alarmed warning echoes across the continent, a lament for the perishing. In the heart of Slovenia, regions crumble beneath the unyielding onslaught. Bridges severed, roads submerged, and buildings consumed by the surging water's wrath. The Prime Minister's voice trembles with despair as he witnesses the cataclysmic devastation unfurl. Kamnik's central town weeps, a Slovenian woman succumbs to the merciless waters, roads blocked, and kindergartens shuttered. Near Kranj, 2 Dutch souls meet their watery grave in the unforgiving embrace of the mountains. Selj, a once serene city, now trembles as the mighty Savinja River overflows its banks, forcing 4,000 souls to seek refuge, a poignant exodus. Jubno, upstream, witnesses the river's rage, houses swept away, landslides devouring hope. The heavens weep, and the earth shudders, as Slovenia battles nature's wrath. A nation gripped by sorrow, seeking strength amidst the deluge's ferocity. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.